This is Selma Schimmel, and you are looking live at the great city of Chicago, which is once again playing host to the American Society of Clinical Oncology, ASCO. This is ASCO's 49th annual meeting, and this year's theme could not be more appropriate: Building Bridges to Conquer Cancer. More than 30,000 of the world's foremost cancer specialists are here, and so is our Advocacy in Action feature, making our 15th appearance at ASCO and one of our very best. What about all those patients who test negative and who feel a sense of disappointment or a defeat regarding their treatment options? And how do we help them cope? And those are very natural feelings of disappointment. But how do we help them understand that those test results are still personalizing their care?
I think this is such an exciting time in oncology, but I think lung cancer is the most exciting area within oncology, right, selfishly. But every week or month, it seems, a major discovery is made. It might have been ALK or EGFR or ROS, before, but it's going to be RET or RAF or another potential molecular marker, and we're working hard to find new therapies for those subsets. And then we have a meeting like now where we're talking about using approaches to harness a person's immune system to fight cancer that we're not even sure means you have to have a specific marker. It may be that way, but we don't know that now. And we're seeing this in kidney cancer and lung cancer and melanoma. This idea that you can stimulate someone's immune system in a very safe manner to fight their cancer. I mean, there's a lot of reasons to be hopeful if you don't have an EGFR mutation or an ALK rearrangement.
I have to say that, while I don't work in lung cancer directly, I've had the privilege to work with lung cancer advocates and lung cancer related physicians worldwide. And I look at lung cancer now, and you started your remarks, Kim, that it was, for the longest time, it was not only so stigmatized, but talking about it was so dark. And now I look at lung cancer, it's almost becoming like the poster child for the future. It is so representative and should be so inspirational for the other disease types, because if we can see the dynamics of how our molecular understanding of lung cancer, and as you're saying, Dr. Spigel, for the patient who may not have an immediate clinical option, but around the corner there may be a new pathway or mutation that you find in your lab that's going to inspire and motivate a new therapy, then this in itself should be an example for all other cancer types, that if we can see the light in lung cancer, imagine what this can do.
Absolutely.
And it's just ironic that it's lung cancer that has been able to do this.
I think that also just speaks to the power of clinical trials, and that we always have to be pushing people to engage in those, because it is the only way that we're going to know what of these options works.
Thank you to this panel. Thank you to all of you. I hope you have a great rest of your meeting.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.